May is here and I'm ready to put in the garden. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today I'm checking out this 10 by 20 greenhouse. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So I really like this. I've already been in here and it's warm, like really hot in there, so I try not to hang out inside. It has this irrigation system that's, I think it's going to work out really well. It hooks to, let me find the end here. It just hooks to a standard garden hose. I don't have water out here yet, but I plan to soon. So as soon as I do, we'll get that hooked up. Also, I think I'm going to put a thermometer in here because I want to see how warm it actually is. To me, it feels like it's about 80 or 90 degrees in here, whereas out here, it's 50s maybe. So it's definitely creating the heat. It's definitely going to keep my plants warm. I'm actually going to get them moved over here in just a little bit, but I wanted to show this to you guys. It has vents all down the sides, both sides, so I can open those up. The wind comes from behind me here normally, so that'll help it breathe during the day when it's hot. And then I can close them up at night to try to keep that heat in so that the frost doesn't get to my plants. I have it currently just pinned down with some logs. I think it recommended rocks, but I don't have any close by. So I'm going to bring some other stuff over here. I just finished putting it together, so I just wanted to make sure the wind didn't pick it up or try to carry it off. It has a nice screw-in posts for the corners so that the wind isn't going to rip those out. It also has some other posts. I'm going to show those to you. Figured out that these screw-in pins are going to go like this and screw in and hold the post down. So kind of like that. The assembly wasn't too bad. I did probably 90% of it by myself. My dad came over here for a little while and helped me. And then I came out here this morning and I put the door together and put the tarp on top. And it worked. It looks really nice. I love it. Where I got it tucked away here out of the wind, I think it's going to do well in the sun. And I'm excited to put my plants in here and get my garden started. If you're looking for a way to keep your plants warm during these early months, I definitely recommend one of these greenhouses. I'm going to get my stuff in here, like I said, get it out of the house so that I have a little more space. I can get my spring cleaning done as soon as I get my garden started.